All right, so first startup. See how it goes. All right. All right, sounds like the starter is gone. Either the starter gone or it's not kicking out, so it ain't one. All right, so there is a problem with the starter. I think the starter does need to get changed out. I got it to turn over. I was messing with it, honestly, just trying to crank it. And I don't know if y'all heard that video before. It was making that weird noise, but let's see if it'll start up again. Let's try one more time. This thing is very loud coming straight out the headers, but